All right, boat dock movers, Lake Lanier here with another video. This is the boat dock we recovered in Gainesville this week. It was just stuck in the front. We went in wanting to use our rollers and plywood, but the bank was just too steep. We ended up having to move this dock inch by inch using our farm deck. So, as always, if you see something we should have done differently or something you can do better, let us know in the comments. And if you need dock watch to keep this from happening to you, send us an email. That's in the description. All right, so here's how it starts. Load up all the materials on the trailer. Put your tools in the back, along with a lot of gas cans, because our boat burns a lot of gas. But we're ready to go to work. All right, here comes the work boat. Gonna get it loaded up. Get all this gear onto the boat. Homeowner already tried to do some digging around. We have a very nice boat on the lift still. But we're gonna get to work.
A little later.
movers of Lanier here. You saw it. Another job done. We take pride in making sure we leave a dock better than what we found it. So we're going to give this thing a quick bath and head out. Thanks for watching.